I believe that a lot of people who are buying this pump right here is absolutely going to get destroyed. This is another pump on Bitcoin that is news driven by Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump, the one and only captain manipulator. It's only going to get worse. Okay, this is where institutions come and take liquidity. We're going to be having a look at Solana. Is this the top for Solana in this pump right here? Because it is nearing an order block right here. And if you guys are not in my Discord, I would highly suggest coming in my Discord, because I did do a bunch of sell orders right here on the free VIP as well. And then if you are not in the trading competition, there's a massive trading competition right here, $2,000 starting price with BY and it could only increase from here. The last trading competition was $8,800. Okay, now JitoSol is another thing on Solana that is essentially following Solana's footstep, up 47% of the day. Things are looking pretty interesting. But is this the bottom? Did we finally hit the bottom? Or does Bitcoin have a bigger downfall from here? That is the biggest question that a lot of people don't understand. So Bitcoin is up 4.6%, sitting at $67,000, looking very nice. Okay. Don't get me wrong, Bitcoin is looking good. In the last day, crypto has been pumping. In the last week, crypto has been beautiful. In the last month, we are still red. We got some green, we got some red. Things are a little bit shaky. But let's have a look at Bitcoin first of all. We are entering this very important level, okay? VPVR, point of control. Okay. Now, I was expecting for Bitcoin to come a little bit above, because we know when we have a point of control or resistance support, we don't always get rejected and come down. That would just be too perfect. The entry would just be too perfect and it would just be too easy. So we're most likely going to pump a little bit more, maybe $68,000 before coming back down. Because if we have a look right here on my VIP, you guys can see that my last order for this is 67,900. So we could definitely pump a little bit more. These are my orders. Bitcoin right here. You guys can see I still have 3 more orders to go. I am down 2.4%. I'm going to be the first one to say, by the way, if you guys do sign up with BYDFi, on top of that, you do get a $2,000 bonus. So the link will be in the description below. Make sure you guy sign up now if you guys want to be part of the competition, and if you guys want to get a pretty much a signing up bonus. But this video is going to be about Solana. I told you guys that Solana is here to stay. Why did I tell you guys Solana is here to stay? Most likely because the TVL is going to keep on growing. Their app fee revenues is just going to keep on growing. The fact that they're doing 3 to 4 million in a bear market is super bullish. And the reason why I will, essentially accumulate Solana starting next, 2-3 weeks is most likely because Solana is going to go to $700 to $800 in the next bull market. Now, a lot of people think that Solana did bottom right here. Now, you have to be very careful here, guys, because if we have a look right here at the weekly time, or let's just do daily time frame on Solana, we know that this is nothing but a rebound. Now, Solana is nearing this very important resistance level right here. Okay, if we do break that, we still have the VPVR that we need to break. A lot of demand, supply and demand right here. 85.61. That is the price. Now, if you saw my last video yesterday, I told you guys that Solana was most likely going to pump 1 or 2 more times, one within the next 24 to 72 hours. I told you guys this because of the pump that's happening. But guess what? As soon as Donald Trump signs the thing with Iran on Friday, we're most likely going to go down. This is nothing but a sell the rumor or buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. Institutions do not need 30-40% to make money. You give them 5x leverage on a or 20% ROI, they're happy with that. They're happy with their few $1,000,000 they made in like a couple days. You, on the other hand, you're going to keep holding because you think that this is the bottom. You're going to make the same mistake. You think that Solana is going to go to 780. You're going to get cooked again, and it's just not going to be good. This is the cycle is not over, guys. The bear market is just not over. And imagine what happens when the S&P 500 decides to tank. I mean, you guys can see right here, we could easily have a double top and S&P, doesn't agree. And they're like, you know what, that's it. We want to enter the bear market. What happens when the S&P starts to pull back 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20%? Solana is going to get destroyed. Now, I'm not here to be a Solana bear. I'm not here to be a Solana hater. Solana and Bitcoin are probably the only coins you should accumulate, in my honest opinion, okay? This is what I think. But look what happened right here. A lot of people thought that this run right here was going to be the start of the bull market. I saw it on Twitter. You might not think so, but a lot of people saw. A lot of people thought, okay? A lot of people thought that this run right here was going to be the bottom, and that we're going to go go to the moon, and Solana was going to go to $500. A lot of people think that this is the bottom right here. Believe it or not, on X, a lot of people are calling this the bottom. Now, this is nothing but a pullback. This is nothing but another, bounce, rejection, whatever the hell you want to call it. This is nothing but that. And if we have a look right here, the stochastic RSI, it just explains it all. We could see right here, the last time we were overbought was right here on May 11th. What happened? We were overbought. Solana crashed from $94 all the way down to $58. And guess what's happening now? Solana is slowly becoming overbought, and we are not even nearing close to $95. Okay, so assuming we had rejected right here, maybe we peak a little bit above 86, 87. The ultimate deal and the ultimate target for Solana is definitely going to be lower. Okay, it's definitely going to be lower. I would be super bullish if we get a closure above 83. I don't think that's happening for Solana. And then of course for BTC, I would be super bullish if we get a closure above 74. I don't think that. I mean, if we get a closure above 74, I'm like, you know what? That's it. The bull market's on. We're gonna wait for a nice little rebound. We're gonna most likely come back down 66, and we're taking our long to 95, 100, 120, and that's it. I don't see this happening anytime soon. Personally, this is news driven. Again, we know what happened when something is news driven. We get absolutely wrecked. The best time to buy crypto is when it's pumping for no absolute reason. Okay, that's the best time to buy crypto, when there's no news. When it's news driven, what happened when there's no more news? What happened? Everything comes down. Also, this is a four-party type of situation. A lot of people think this deal is just between Iran and the USA. What happens if Lebanon breaks the ceasefire? What happens if Israel breaks the ceasefire? Lebanon comes and gets involved. The USA comes and gets involved. Boom. 4 days from now, there's no more ceasefire deal. There's no more plan. Nothing, everything goes to shit. Crypto goes back down. It's news driven. It's bad news. We keep on tanking. We keep on nuking. So this is why we have to be very careful. Things are not looking as beautiful as you might think it is. Yes, Solana's going up. Yes, Ethereum's going up. You got XRP, AVAX, all these things are going up fine. But in my opinion, this is nothing but a cute little rebound for institutional traders. That's it. The big guys are going to take their 5-10%. They're going to go home. They're going to eat well, while you're just going to keep your position open and get liquidated again instead of taking profit. So I'm just speaking from experience. Obviously, I could be completely wrong. You guys always do your own research and due diligence. Never listen to anyone on the internet. Once more, guys, if you want to join a trading competition right here, make sure you guys sign up. It is starting today. Okay, so make sure you guys get in the Discord, sign up. The link is right there. The Discord's absolutely for free. Its starting price pool is $2,000. You're just not going to find anything like that anywhere else. And then of course, on other notes, if you do deposit a certain amount of money, you do get up to a $2,000 bonus. No KYC available in the United States of America, and you don't need a VPN. Peace out, fam.